Hello, this is Ben and Marina from Notes in Spanish. ¿Qué tal, Marina?
Hola, Ben, ¿cómo estás? Muy bien.
Yo fenomenal. Bueno, today to answer a question from Mike, one of our listeners, we're going to tell you all about the verb echar. Now, it's what we call a mighty verb because it's got so many uses. So we actually put together a PDF report called The Mighty Echar. Now, this PDF report that we're going to use today to tell you all the meanings, you can download for free, you can share it, you can print it, whatever you like. There'll be a link underneath this video, either on YouTube or on our blog. So let's get going with some common uses. Marina, to miss something.
Echar de menos.
Okay, with all of the uses, I'm going to give an example phrase as well, which Marina's going to read out, all of which are in the PDF. So don't worry if you don't have time to copy them down now. I miss Paris.
Echo de menos París.
Okay, next, to blame somebody.
Echar balones fuera.
For example, don't try and place the blame elsewhere. I know your team is responsible for the delay.
No eches balones fuera. Sé que tu equipo tiene la culpa por el retraso.
Okay, next, to have a look at something.
Echar un ojo.
I love that one. Echar un ojo. Can you take a look at my work?
¿Puedes echarle un ojo a mi trabajo?
Great. Next, to lend a hand.
Echar una mano.
Could you lend me a hand getting supper ready?
¿Puedes echar una mano con la cena?
Okay.
¿O me puedes echar una mano con la cena?
Hopefully the answer is yes. Right, next page. To add fuel to the fire, to make things worse.
Echar leña al fuego.
For example, if you tell her the truth, you're only going to add fuel to the fire. You're only going to make things more complicated.
Si le dices la verdad, solo vas a echar más leña al fuego.
Watch out. To take a siesta. Do you know this one? To take a siesta.
Echarse la siesta.
Okay, for example, today I'm going to have a siesta as I went to bed very late last night.
Hoy me voy a echar una siesta. Ayer me fui a la cama muy tarde.
Okay. Next, to burst into tears.
Echarse a llorar.
For example, she's a real crybaby. She bursts into tears at the slightest thing.
Es un llorón. Se echa a llorar por nada.
Okay. Next, another one, to blame.
Echar la culpa.
Don't blame everything on me. You get things wrong too sometimes.
No me eches la culpa de todo, que tú también te equivocas a veces.
Okay, we never use that phrase in this relationship. Right, now some less common ones, again, all on the PDF. So less common, but still very good real Spanish. To miss something.
Echar algo en falta.
Okay, so we had to miss before, but this is another version that's a bit less common. Echar algo en falta. I miss the food from my country.
Echo en falta la comida de mi país.
Yeah.
It's less used maybe in Spain, but probably more used in South America.
In South America, yeah. To decide something by luck, for example, if you want to decide who's going to go first in a game of football and you decide to toss a coin to see who's going to start, you could say...
Echar a suertes.
So, for example, who's going to drive? Let's toss a coin.
Vamos a conducir... perdón. ¿Quién va a conducir? Vamos a echarlo a suerte.
Okay, ¿a suerte? Or
a suertes.
A suertes. Okay, to lucks. Suerte is luck. A suertes to lucks. Strange. To ask somebody for help. Now, this is a curious usage that's not very common, I think, but we like it.
It could be.
Yeah. Okay.
Echar mano de alguien.
Echar mano de alguien. So, for example, if I say, we're going to have to ask for your brother's help to build the wardrobes.
Vamos a tener que echar mano de tu hermano para montar los armarios.
Okay. A few more to go. To have a nap. This is a great one. To have a nap.
I like this one too. Echar una cabezada. Or echar una cabezadita. You could say
a very little nap. The Ita makes it a very short nap. Okay, so after lunch, I'm going to have a nap on the sofa.
Después de comer, voy a echar una cabezada en el sofá.
Okay. To lock the door. Make sure you lock the door. To lock the door.
Echar la llave.
Don't forget to lock the door before going to bed.
No te olvides de echar la llave antes de irte a la cama.
Okay. To go to waste.
Echar a perder.
We have to eat the fish today or it's going to go to waste.
Hay que comer el pescado hoy o se va a echar a perder.
Okay. To back out.
echarse atrás.
For example, Pedro said he'd come to Japan with me, but at the last minute he's backed out.
Pedro me dijo que vendría conmigo a Japón, pero en el último momento se ha echado para atrás.
Yeah. And finally, to get a boyfriend or a girlfriend.
Echarse un novio.
Echarse un novio. Yes. Too late for us. Ya nos hemos echado novios. David has got a really beautiful girlfriend, right? No, that's wrong. Oh, yes, sorry. David has got a really beautiful girlfriend.
David se ha echado una novia muy guapa.
Okay, there you go. We hope you've enjoyed this video. Remember, download the PDF. Echar is just a very useful, very common Spanish word that's going to make you super good at Spanish and sound really good at real Spanish, which is our greatest desire. So get the PDF for that, the link under this video. Do come and listen to our podcasts if you aren't listening to them already, full of real Spanish like this, and sign up for our newsletter. This is just the kind of phrase that we try to put into every newsletter that we send out. Okay.
Hasta luego.
See you at notesinspanish.com.